तंत्रज्ञाचेर आधारित आणि प्रदूषणमुक्त उद्देगांक प्राधान्य दिवपाचो निर्णय गुंतवणूक उर्बा मंडळाचे बसकेत जालो। उद्देगीक मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगले 310 कोटींच्या आणि 2450 जणांक रोजगार दिवपाची तांक आशिल्ल्या 6 प्रस्तावांक मान्यताय दिल्ल्याचे ताचे म्हणणे। हातूंतल्या कांय कंपन्यांची विदेशी भागीदारी आशिल्ल्याचे माविनान सांगले।
Cleared as many as 6 proposals. We cleared all the proposals. The proposals are to the tune of almost totaling the 6 industry with the investment of 310 crores, and the employment generated is about 2,500, which is going to be generated by this particular industry. Having said that, these industries are of different kind. Like we have Gomantak Theme Park, Mother Ocean Private Limited, Bagya Constructions, Blue Monks Private Limited, Karad Projects and Motor Limited, Pack Limited. Like Permacop is a theme park which is coming up in the north. Mother Ocean is mussels being harvested scientifically in the sea, a different concept altogether with foreign collaboration. So it's a unique thing which is happening. Then Bagya Construction, of course, it is a hot mixing thing which is coming up. Brew Monks is a distillery of very high order, and they have also got a large investment. So this also is a new project which we have cleared. Karad project is something about motors, modern motors which are being electrical motors which will be manufactured here. Of course, Kirloskar's also are involved in that. Pack is another industry which is about different type of packaging. That particular industry will have all types of packaging. All this is going to happen from Goa. Our emphasis has been clean, non-polluting industry, and we are having regard to that. We don't welcome any type of industry. We are very selective, and I am very happy that today we have cleared these 6 proposals with investment of around 300 crores, and so much of employment also to the tune of 2,500 will be generated.